Okay, the next part of debugging your homing switches is going to be the best way to do it. Uh, Not by using your fingers, but by using the software and the computer to tell you what's going on. Um, for this part, I will need both hands, so there'll be parts of the video where I'm putting down the phone. Just bear with me. Right here, Larry M. On the Inventables forum, uh, he went through and gave a great write-up on how this is all done, but I'm just going to demonstrate it. This is all his work, though. The first thing you're going to need is Arduino IDE. Okay, this is the software right here. When you open this up, it's gonna load a generic sketch. The biggest thing is you do not want to click any of these buttons because it'll overwrite gerbil on your controller. What you want to do is you want to go to Tools, and you want to make sure the COM port that for your controller is selected. Then you want to go to Serial Monitor. You want to make sure that the baud rate is correct, right here, and that this says New Line. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to here, and you're going to hit the question mark, and it's going to have this nice little code readout. And right over here is pin 000. And that there is your Z, X, and Y limit switches. Now, it is not in the order that you would think, which is X, Y, Z. It's actually, let's see if I can find my cursor here. There we go. It is actually Z, Y, X. Okay, zeros are not pressed or closed, and then ones are closed. So Z, X, Y. So if we go back to the monitor, right now nothing is being pressed as it should. Right, if you have any of these reading 1 right away, and you have everything set up to be normally open, that means something is being shorted out. Okay. Now, I'm going to hold down the Y-axis limit switch, and I'm going to type in the question mark and hit enter, and we'll see what happens. Okay, now you can see that the middle one has a 1 and the rest are still 0. What you want to do is you want to go through and do that for all of them and make sure that everything is reading as it is. If you can get those to read as it should, that means that any issues you're having with homing is in the software. It is not in the hardware.